Here's a simple way on how you can set some restrictions on the battery usage for a particular app, or you can go about doing this for all the apps on your Galaxy A55 smartphone. And this is with Android 14. Let's do it. So let's just say you have an app that's running in the background constantly and you want to make changes to that as it can be draining the battery life of your Samsung phone. So to do this here, you'll find the app, then you'll long press it. And every time you long press an app, there's this menu that pops up here. You'll see a circle and then an eye inside of it, which is the app info. Once you enter into it, you'll see all these different options for that particular app. Now that you're here now, you'll want to go down to where it says battery. And of course, I haven't really used this app actually, but just to show you where to go to make changes to this here, you have three options. You got the unrestricted, and if it's set to that, basically this is going to have all the activity constantly running on that particular app. You want to leave it to optimize at the best. And of course, if you want to kind of like really cut off what this app is doing, but you want to leave the app on your phone, set it to restricted. This is going to block off a lot of things from happening with the app, especially running in the background. But once you go into the app, you will receive like all your notifications and all that stuff. So if it's been draining your battery, this is one of the ways to start by going into the app info and making changes to this setting here, like and sub.